So there's Jackie walking Sebastian, getting him his exercise. And he's making his way back towards the building because he hates exercising outdoors. How you liking that exercise, Sebastian? He's kind of like a horse. When he gets closer to the barn, he starts running. Responsibility when you're the skunk walker. He could dart off at any moment.
You can barely keep up.
I know. Hi, buddy.
Oh, uh-oh. We're confused.
It's like, I hear somebody's voice I know over here, but...
Oh, it's gonna be tricky. It's
Oh. Don't walk into it. Oh, oh. Did we mention that Sebastian can't see? Oh, honey. But he knows where the house I know.
Just in case, I'll let him in. Oh.
Yep. Now, does somebody know to let you in?
No.
Hey, Rue. Hi, baby girl. What would you think about coming outside for a while? What do you think about that? What? What? So exciting. I can't even see her in this camera, but I'm pretty sure.
I have a skunk here.
Don't forget you got a hawk there too.
We're not accepting